If this is the way that you draw a tangent, then it's wrong. In this video, I'm going to share about tangent, how to draw a tangent, how to estimate gradients, and lastly, how to find equation. Do you know why the tangent is wrong? The answer is here. If you look closely, the tangent is intersect the graph, the curve. Please take note, the tangent cannot intersect the curve. Tangent only can touch the curve. So to do this will be the correct way to do. Okay, this will be the tangent. Okay, at x equal to 1. X equal to 1. Do take note of left, right here. When you draw a tangent, make sure the angle between your tangent and the graph on both sides is balanced. Okay. Now, to use how to use your tangent to estimate the gradient. To find the gradient, we know that the equation is m equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So in this case, you need 2 points. So the first one will be here, 1, 3, and the second point will be 0, -2. So it's 1, 3, and 0, -2. Just calculate. So your m should equal to 3 minus -2 over 1 minus 0. That will give you 5. Okay, next, write down the equation of your tangent. So the equation of the tangent will in the form of y equal to mx plus c. Yeah, m equal to 5. And the c will be here. This is your c. So c is equal to -2. Therefore, your equation is y equal to 5x minus 2. Next, by drawing a suitable tangent, find and estimate for the gradient. Okay, you need to estimate, you need to draw. So you'll be something like this. You draw the line. Okay, I have some tips for you to how to draw the tangent that will save you time. Okay, the tip is you draw and you decide the point at the same time. Okay, how to do this? To draw the tangent, just take your ruler and make it balanced. Okay, maybe something like this. What most students will do, I hope you're not doing this. If let's say you draw and then you will draw the tangent first and then decide the point. Okay, in this case, you probably can use this point or this and this point. And then they calculate. Okay. If you do this, then it will cost you time. It's not good. Okay. So how to make it, how to do it faster? Okay. When you want to draw the tangent, you decide the point at the same time. In this case, here, I'll decide this point and this point. So I draw the line. And that's it. We have the point immediately after you draw the tangent. So now we have the point, this and here. So we can just calculate. So the point will be 2 and 2.7 and 0, 0. Do take note, it's not necessary to choose a origin. You can choose any point. Okay, my point is that you need to decide immediately. You need to decide at the point when you want to draw the tangent. Not draw the tangent, then only find which point, okay? So your m should equal to 2.7 minus 0 over 2 minus 0. You will get 1.35. Next question, okay. Find the equation of the tangent. Same question, I ask you to find the equation of tangent, but this time they only give you the sketch of the curve and the point. So you cannot draw a tangent. It didn't work this way. So how to do this is that you need to differentiate. Remember, you find the dy dx. Basically, dy dx is the gradient of the function. Or in other words, is the gradient. So to do this, y equal to x squared plus 3x minus 4, differentiate dy dx equal to 2x plus 3. Okay, so when x equal to 2, take this point, your m equal to 2 plus 3, that will give you 7. Remember, dy dx is the gradient function. In other words, your dy dx is equal to the m. When you substitute the x value, now you can find the equation. So your m equal to 7 and 0.26, you will get 6 equal to 7.2 plus c. Therefore, it's 6 equal to 14 plus c. Your c equal to 7 minus 14. That will give you negative 8. So your equation will be y equal to 7x minus 8. Next question. Find equation of the tangent to the graph. Now they didn't give you the graph, they only give you the equation. So and x equal to 4, not even a coordinate, they just give you the x value. So how to do this? Same, first step we find the dy dx. So dy dx is equal to 3x squared minus 8x plus 4. So when x equal to 2, your gradient should equal to 2 square. Sorry, x equal to 4 square minus 8, 4 plus 4, you should get 20. I'm not mistaken. Okay, yes, should 20. Now you have the m equal to 20. You need one coordinate. To find the coordinate, use the x value. You substitute into the equation. So your y equal to x cubed minus 4x squared plus 4x. You substitute when x equal to 4, your y is equal to 4 cubed minus 4. Calculate, you should get 16. Okay, therefore your coordinate is 4, 16. So now you have the equation, you have the gradient equal to 20, and coordinate is 4, 16. So y equal to mx plus c. Y is 16 equal to m is 24 plus c. So it's 16 equal to 80 plus c. Your c should equal to negative 64. Therefore, equation will be y equal to 20x sorry, y equal to 20x minus 64. Done. Okay. So remember, practice is the key. If you have any question, please feel free to comment below. I'll see you again. Bye bye.